Welcome everyone on today's Metal3 Community meeting. My name is Adam Rosman and I will be your host today. Today is the 23rd of October 2024. And as usual, let's start with introductions. I see two new participants. If any one of you would like to introduce yourself, then feel free. If not, then we will just continue.
Yeah, I can introduce myself. Matt McEwen from Microsoft, longtime consumer of Metal Cubed in one form or another from back at AT&T, and it's been a long time since I've kept tabs on what Metal Cubed is doing in the community. So I thought I'd join. Don't have any agenda, just lurking. Thank you.
Thank you and welcome, Matt. Okay, if no one else, then let's continue. Please note that the meeting is recorded. If you would like, if anyone would like to help the project and contribute, please filter on GitHub for the help wanted or the good first issue labels. We have quite a lot, 56 to be precise, open at the moment, and by assigning these to yourself and working on it, it would help the project greatly. You can follow the link in the document or just use GitHub filters. If you think that your organization would be okay to acknowledge the use of MetaCube and publicly advertise that, then that would be also a big help for the project. You can do that by editing the adopters.md file, creating a pull request and editing the adopters.md file in the root of the community repository within the MetaCube IO project, and you just have to follow the example of other organizations. This helps us to gauge the adoption, and it's also very good when the project is being audited and we have to explain that who are the users and why it is a good decision to choose MetaCube. If you feel that you have created a pull request and automated CI tests are failing on your pull request, but you think that is not related to the content of your pull request, rather it is an unknown issue, or you think it's related to the CI infrastructure, then please create a detailed issue in the relevant or the affected repository and link that issue to the MetaCube CI tracker project. You can do that on the right side of an issue page, and you will find this MetaCube CI tracker project, and the CI maintainers will be helped out by you, and they will much easier track the issue. Okay, related to incubation proposal, there has been no news since the last time where we got some feedback that this will be soon picked up when they find a suitable person to conduct the due diligence. But since then, we haven't heard anything else, or at least not me. And if you are interested in any of our metrics or deliverables, statistics, and so on, CI jobs, then please feel free to check out any of these links in the reminders list. Okay, is there any other question, comment, something that we should bring forward from last week? I don't remember that there would be anything carried over. Yeah, okay, then we can continue. And then the first topic is the community working groups. And within that, the Ironic Scalability Group, I already commented here that thank you, Mohammed, for working on the integration of the fake IP into the devenv. Is there anything else that you would like to add?
Nothing major. So we have now this integration with the dev already merged. Thanks also for reviews and everyone that helped and checked that. Now just focusing on the E2E. Last week, mostly just using the legacy template with some, let's say, local or custom scalability E2E test. But after that, I thought probably we can better use the copy one instead of just duplicating the same test. Though the copy one was using the cluster class, which is not yet ready with the CAPM3, so was a bit experimenting with that and trying to get it working before pushing the PR. There is just one small PR, small E2E test that just apply the BMH and wait for them to get available. I think I got already some reviews there, but I didn't check that. If you want to check that, feel free to find it on the, well, probably I will link it also on the agenda. It's on CAPM3, but I'll try to push the other one soon. That's mostly it for the scalability.
Thanks, Mohammed. Yeah, that would be great if you could link it here. I will a bit move my own comment a bit like this, better tabulated this way. Yeah, but thank you. Yep, I think this will be a great addition to the dev, or is already a great addition. Okay,
Thanks.
I think yeah, Dimitri is away on the PTG, so there are nobody else from this working group. So we can continue with the release teams. If there are any questions related to the IRIC scalability, feel free to ask. But if there are nothing, then we will continue. Okay, if no questions, then release team. I see you, Adil. You are here. Is there any news? I haven't heard anything recently, or I might just missed it. Okay, you are breaking up.
Nothing from the release.
Okay, okay. Thanks. Okay, so nothing from release team. Roadmap editors, I added a few things, but nothing major. Maybe now I will have the time to go through the roadmap and check if there's anything missing or not. But no major developments there. And then discussion topics. Yeah, many people are on the PTG, an Ironic Community PTG. There is the OpenStack PTG going on for all the OpenStack projects. So that's affecting us also. And other than that, I personally don't have new topics. There are some reviews or some discussions restarting, mainly around multi-tenancy. Leonard, who was one of the big drivers, have joined back to the project. He was away for personal reasons, and now he's back and he's working on these again. And yeah, I hope we can push these topics forward. The multi-tenancy discussion has grown and now enveloped PMO related things and the IPM, the HCP less work. So that is one reason why I mentioned on the last community meeting that I would like to start planning the new PTG for us, or actually the PTG is trademark, so it was I think team gathering or something we called it. So our own long meeting, and the main focus would be those topics, like the different multi-tenancy topics and the DHCPLS topic. But because this week folks are not available, next week will be the week when we start the initial discussions about that. So first I will just ask that what are the preferred times. We try to come up with a time period, and then I will create a poll, and as usual, as in previous years, folks can vote. Okay, but that's not for this week. Is there any topic, question, or discussion anyone would like to bring up? If not, then that's fine. We have to do some triaging. I have already done pre-triaging today and went through all of these. Let me just quickly sort them. And this was the one that was left here. I'll leave time for you to read. It's basically, I think this is not intentional, but we don't have separate labels for the IPAM and the CAPM3 controllers, so that folks cannot attach services to them, as far as I understand. And I pinged you here, Adil and Leonard, and Leonard also agrees that this is a bug. So if there are no objections, I will accept this under a bug label or with a bug label. Yeah, it's quite bad actually, if you read Leonard's explanation. So thank you for whoever is the original reporter on this. That this is a very good catch, and I think we can all agree that this is a bug. But again, if you think otherwise, please let me know. I can change the labels back. But this seems pretty clear cut. Yeah, I see from Adil in the chat, it's a bug. Yeah, everyone agrees then it's a bug. I accepted it. Okay. Yeah, then there was this one. This is a controversial topic. It was always in this community, basically asking for Helm charts. Here it's mainly for BMO, which is the more sensible or more easy to digest version of this proposal. And Hui has tried it in the past to make the community accept Helm charts. Back then, it didn't work. We haven't come to a workable agreement. But the stage is open, and if anyone would like to restart this discussion, then just know that not everyone is against these Helm charts, but the community has to unanimously agree, and we would need someone who is willing to maintain these charts. And maintain means that write the charts, update the charts, create a CI for the charts, or at least work with the CI maintainers to create the CI, decide on places where we host the charts, like the deliverables and so on. So yeah, but I guess quite large number of people are not present today, so maybe next week it would be good good if the original reporter would join us and we could discuss this. Maybe this time the opinions would change or shift. Yep. So this was one other topic, and if you have comments, just stop me and I will mute myself. Okay. And then everything else is, I think, quite old. There was this deprovisioning Confirmation, we asked for feedback, there was no feedback. Then there was this static IP set. This is a OpenShift feature. This is not an upstream feature. The root cause of this I actually seen in IPA also. There's similar behavior, but this is OpenShift specific. So I think this will go and get auto deleted. And this is an ironic issue, not our issue. And everything else is just very odd. So we have mostly old stuff. The only two relevant and up-to-date issue is this two on the top, the ham chart and the one that we accepted. So it's not even here. So from here it's only this one. Okay. Is there any question related to the ones that are waiting for triage? Nope. Then let's quickly check the stales. If there are anything that shouldn't be in stale. Yeah, this one I have checked. Here, Mohammed was asking Adil. So because both of you are here, maybe it's a good place to discuss.
Yeah, for this one, we added an option to skip applying the BMH with some test that needs to apply them in a later generated namespace. But not sure if we should do this for all the tests or just use this option with certain E2E test. For me, I think it's better for now to keep it only for those that would use random generated namespaces and keep the old behavior with the tests that are still using the Metal3 namespace for the BMH. So this can be closed, I guess, if Adil, you don't have any other opinion about this.
Yes, I think it's fine to close. We are tracking another issue, these steps which are related to this decoupling of TevM and CAPM3, and it's part of that. So we can close this one because I think this is mostly related to adding a variable in TevM, so it doesn't apply the BMS, right? So we can close this issue and we can track the remaining progress in the other one.
Okay, good. Then let's not wait for the bot to close it. I will close it. Let's wait. Let's see if Brau is closing it. Yes, good. Thank you. That's good that we have an agreement. Next one is errors with collecting logs for machine with test adopted from copy. Quite old, this one too. I once removed the stale. Was this? No, it's on the roadmap, not CI tracker. No discussion. Do you remember these? This one.
Not sure. I remember this. There seems like an issue with the logs in the E2E test, probably. The test that we are reusing from copy, they made some logs for the machine, but I think this is still an issue.
Okay, yeah, I'm not familiar with this one, but I will then remove the label, and maybe someone would need to check it, but I guess that wasn't. Yep.
I can check this one. We did a lot of improvements regarding logging past, I think, few months. So I think this will, we shouldn't see this anymore, but I will check, and then I can close this one if I don't see this.
Well, thanks very much. Sounds good. Yeah, I know that now the log collection is way better than before. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this can go away. Add support for you if I. What? This was. What? Oh, this is the issue, not the PR. Oh, okay, okay. I think we accepted the. Yeah. This is certainly not stale. There is an accepted proposal, and there has been code contributed too. So it's VIP, and wondering if we even need anything else. I don't completely remember how far we are, but I have seen code being merged related to this, so at least not stale, that's for sure. Okay, these two are stale. Where Metano, the provision confirm. Yes, the stale, and this is one flaky test. If I remember correctly, the last discussion about the flaky test was, and the decision related to that was that, and now we let them go to get auto closed if we don't see them currently, right? We don't keep them around.
Yeah, probably, but I think we have some also people that check probably the test or something like that can also verify this CI tracker from time to time.
Yeah. Yeah, I think when CI maintainers were discussing, last thing I remember is that even if it goes, whoever is maintaining the CI on that week or looking after the things or looking for an error, it's advised to check the ones that have been closed, and if it matches one that have been closed, then it's okay to bring back a closed issue. That's what I remembered. Do I remember correctly?
Yeah, I
Okay.
think that was the idea.
Okay. Okay, then I will just leave that. Okay, then we clear the stale ones also. Is there any other question, suggestion, some problem with something, or request that we should discuss? Okay, if there are no other topic or problem or question, then thank you for your time and your attention, and let's meet next time at the next week at the same time, and until then, have a great week. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye. Thank you.